Cadets, Lanchen here. Welcome back to Watercolor Wednesday. Today I am going to be painting the Witch Head Nebula, also known as IC2118. IC standing for Index Catalog for those who don't know. Someone suggested I paint this on my Instagram. Thank you for that suggestion. I'm going to paint it for you today. I hope that you're watching. If you want to see all the products that I'm going to be using for this video, you can find all that information in the description box down here. I'm going to be using higher quality watercolors. If you want to use the dollar watercolor palettes, you could definitely do that. It still works. If you've watched my older Watercolor Wednesday videos, you can see that that is also what I'm using. So it gets the job done. If you're learning, you can still use that too. I will be using all these watercolor brushes in different sizes, a star daughter, and 5 watercolors in dark blue, light blue, purple, black, and white. So not only is this nebula super cool looking, it literally looks like a witch head. It is also a remnant of an ancient supernova, and it's illuminated by a supergiant star called Rigel in the constellation of Orion. It lies in the Eridanus constellation, and it's about 900 light years from Earth. Now this nebula is blue, but it's not caused by the blue color of its star. It's also because of the dust grains that reflect blue light more efficiently than reds. So it's very similar to what causes Earth's daytime sky to appear blue. We're going to start out with my blue and purple. Now I'll add my black. Now I'm going to add some white. Alright, so this looks done to me. Now I'll add the stars. Alright guys, that is it. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, hit that like and subscribe button. If you would like to see more of my artwork, you can find my work at Lanchen Designs on my Instagram or my Etsy. And if you have any suggestions for me of what I should paint next, you know what to do. Drop a comment below, let me know. Alright, Space Cadets, I will see you next time.